FDA has approved its first prescription pill for weight loss with the same medicine as GLP-1 medications you inject into your body. The new pills are expected to be available in just a few weeks. About 1 in 8 Americans say they take a GLP-1 drug to lose weight, and these pills are likely to make the drugs even more popular. Chief medical correspondent Jon LaPook has more.
Dr. Chris Mertens was a high school and college athlete, but during his medical training, he gained 60 pounds.
I was also seeing effects with things like my blood pressure, with one of my doctors telling me I might need to start medicine for my blood pressure because it was getting high enough, as well as cholesterol being elevated.
After struggling to lose weight, he heard about a clinical trial for Novo Nordisk's weight loss pill. Over about 8 months, he lost 40 pounds.
It was a great option, especially when I know I had tried to do things what people may term the right way, with diet and exercise alone.
In a New England Journal of Medicine study, all trial participants received counseling on diet and exercise. After about 15 months, patients lost on average 13.6% of their body weight on medication, compared to 2.2% on placebo. The pill must be taken on an empty stomach. Dr. Reshmi Srinath is the director of the Weight and Metabolism Management Program at Mount Sinai.
Do you have patients who can afford it through insurance or privately, but who say, look, I don't want to give myself a shot?
For patients who are seeking care for weight management, there are patients who are very opposed to injecting themselves.
For many patients, affordability remains an issue.
I do think that having an oral option will be really helpful, one, for improving access, but also as another tool that we can offer patients.
After the trial ended, Dr. Mertens lost access to the pill and started to regain weight. He's now on an injectable medication.
It's not something that should be considered a dirty shortcut. It's something that, again, with more and more evidence showing it has benefit for not only losing weight, but helping treat so many other conditions that are downhill from obesity.
Dr. Jon LaPook, CBS News, New York.
You know, when you hear FDA approved, it makes you think that the testing has been done. But I feel like we're living in this unique time because we still don't know the long term.
Well, what we do know about the short-term effects, and I think about this a lot with these drugs, is that it obviously will help you lose weight, but it's also going to help with your heart health.
Right,
people,
that is true, yes.
Just the cardiovascular, risks that people who are overweight face all the time, that's going to be something that's going to help them in other ways as well.
And if they can bring the cost down,
that's the question.
That's the question.
And we also keep hearing that practicing good habits along with taking these weight loss drugs is key.
For the long term.
For the long term.